Ready to explore and reveal? Dive into today's question and uncover the answers together.
Ringing in your ears after loud noises, called tinnitus, happens because tiny hair cells in your inner ear get overstimulated or damaged. These cells send confusing signals to your brain, which it interprets as ringing or buzzing. This usually fades quickly, but repeated exposure can cause longer-lasting effects. Protect your hearing by keeping volume levels safe and using ear protection in noisy places.
Another mystery solved, but many more await. Keep up with our daily discoveries by subscribing and turning on notifications.